Hey, Chris with Reliable here in Citrus Heights. I want to take you up on a roof today. We're going to take a look at some issues with it. So whether you need a roof repair or a complete re-roofing, see us here at Reliable, your platinum roofing contractor.
Now, originally I came over to see this home because of some dry rot and some barge rafters we had done some work for in the past.
Okay,
On my inspection, I looked on the roof, and what I saw was a lot of missing granules, a lot of bare spots. That white stuff on there, it's actually fiberglass.
Get up there.
The fiberglass is the backing on the shingle.
Okay, now I'm up on the roof.
Now, as I got up and walked around, you could see all the exposed fiberglass, a lot of bare spots, a lot of missing granules. And all those granules, of course, have wound up right here in the gutter. It's about an inch deep of granules. And that's a lot of loss of granules. Look at that. And now, after installation, an all-new duration cool roof from Owens Corning. And of course, we're a platinum contractor here at Reliable. We're pretty proud about that. So we build the roof the way the engineers at Owens Corning say to build the roof. And what that means to a homeowner is peace of mind, protection, and warranty, backed by Owens Corning lifetime warranty on materials and on labor. And that transfers to the next homeowner. And one thing you'll notice is all the roof metals are new. We don't reuse any of the vents, pipe jacks. We use valleys. We don't weave shingles together. This roof is built to last. Now, one nice feature that I liked here was this gutter allowed water to spill out on heavy rains. So we did a little creative flashing there to block it from water falling over the front door. Isn't that beautiful? All the metals are painted to match, so they go with this roof.
You know, this is the time of year where it rains. And last week we had a lot of rain. And it's a good thing we got this roof done when we did. This roof is ready for the rain. This roof says, I'm platinum. Bring it on.